All right, what's going on, folks? Mark, Dlux Motorsports. Welcome back to the YouTube. Today we got an exclusive, rare, a little 2014 Ford F150 FX4. This is a Black Ops edition from Tuscany. So if you guys have ever followed the Black Ops trucks, this is one of them. They don't come up for sale very often. They are unique in their own way, and these things were charged, you know, about another 18 to 20 grand in upfit cost from Ford when you bought one of these brand new. Definitely some cool upgrades. Dual exhaust, you know, came with aftermarket Tuscany wheels. There's different badging that came on them. The exterior badge has been removed on this truck, probably because they want it fully blacked out. That's your Tuscany badges with the Black Ops. Again, FX4 package, so this thing is fully loaded, leather, heated seats, dual power seats. It does have heated seats, cooled seats, heated steering wheel. We got a couple other small things to do to this truck, but by the time you see this video, this truck will be fully ready to go. So make sure you guys give us a call if you guys have any questions. Headlights are going to get refinished, or we're going to put on some brand new ones. Part of the Tuscany package, it did get the Ram Air intake hood. You have a light bar in. Look at those little mini brush guard. Blacked out Tuscany wheels. This one's rocking a set of Coopers. Frame is still in really good shape. It has just light surface discoloration. That's it. It's lived its whole life for the past 3 owners in the state of North Carolina. No rust on the body, no other rust anywhere else. This side piece, Ford, I want to kick your ass. I don't know what it is, but I can replace this piece and it's going to break again on you. I don't know what Ford's problem is with producing plastic, but they're not very good at it. Other than that, the interior is gorgeous. You know, factory sunroof, the leather's not torn up or nothing, just light wear on the driver's seat. That's your light bar light right there. They sound really good. It's a very good sounding truck with dual exhaust. This is a 5.0. So you get the reliability of the 5.0. Excuse me real quick. Yeah, bless me. Interior, back seats, leather interior is phenomenal. I don't think the dude had kids. We got a center cap right there. It's got to get put on. You got the big, you know, 150 watt, 110 volt. You know, your wife can do her hair in the back seat while you're driving. Overall, as you guys can see on the body, it's black paint, but it is in gorgeous shape. It looks to be all OEM. You got upgraded LED reverse lights. Dual exhaust will polish out the tips a little bit better, so those tips will shine up, get a little bit more chrome for you. This does have tri-fold bed cover. Again, look down the body line. The body lines are freaking phenomenal. It's black. It could use a tiny polish and it'd look really good. Rock chip here, here, and here. We will get those touched up for you. Small little rock chip there. Again, sometimes I do these videos before I even have a chance to do final touch up and just some of the final tweaks that we do on them afterwards. Mechanically, it's been through the shop, 140 point inspection. It is fully serviced, dialed in, ready to go. This truck hauls ass, tons of power. We service motor, transmission, everything, components working, 4-wheel drive, NFAB, upgraded step rails. The full list of the upgrades will be directly on our website. Again, this is more of a rare truck. You guys don't find these Black Ops editions very often. They made a very limited production of these from Tuscany, so you can own a little bit of, you know, a little bit of Ford history right here. Make sure too, if you guys haven't liked and subscribed, you better subscribe to the damn channel. If not, you're gonna have bad luck for the next 20 years. Anyway, FX4, come on now, Black Ops edition, little Black Ops. Got your little Black Ops. Give us a call, drop a comment, like this video. Till next time, next video, it's your boy Mark, Dlux Motorsports. Give us a shout, 843-697-7501. Till next time, next video, right here, Dlux Motorsports.